Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enter weight in your fitness ball account. So basically guys, I will need you to first go ahead in your PC or phone and then download if you are on phone MyFitnessPal, and if you are in PC just open any kind of browser and open MyFitnessPal. Now, when you create your account for the first time, they will ask you for email, password. After that, you will start putting some details about you. So the details that you have to put is your weight, how much tall you are, like how many times you exercise, and so go on. So basically, when you create your account in the first time, you would have to be to have like put your weight in your account. But I don't know, maybe sometimes some glitch happen or like you put the wrong number. So how we can actually go to your weight and fix it? It is pretty simple. Just go to MyFitnessPal, and then in your homepage, go ahead and click on settings. So here you will find this account setting and privacy settings. Go to account settings and go all the way down to the sixth option and choose update diet fitness profile. So from here, guys, you will find your starting weight or the current weight. So the current weight, it is the weight that you have right now. So here, for example, you can edit the weight, put the weight that you have right now, and here you can change the goal of the weight that you want to achieve. So go on, here's the date that you have born in, not the born in, date that's started in, and yeah, your gender, etc., date of birth, and yeah, some information about you. So yeah guys, once again, go to settings. From settings you go to update diet fitness profile, and then you go to current weight. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually edit or put your weight in MyFitnessPal. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.